Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create nocrm.io lead from Facebook lead ads. So I've recently opened a startup and to market my business, I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, I want to create a lead in my nocrm.io account automatically. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and nocrm.io. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is nocrm.io. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create nocrm.io lead from Facebook lead ads. So I have recently started a fintech company, and to promote my business I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads, and now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, that lead should be automatically created into my nocrm.io account. And for that I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for Pabbly Connect. And this is the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you're a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Now if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook leads to nocrm.io. Let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook leads to nocrm.io. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as create nocrm.io lead from Facebook lead ads, and here I have selected the folder named as Facebook leads to nocrm.io, and by clicking on this drop down over here you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now we need to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this, and here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant as my objective is to create a new lead instantly into my nocrm.io account. And it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. And for that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads and select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. And now we need to select our page. Please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions, and then reconnect your account. Let's click on this, and I have named my Facebook page as Fintrix. So as I have selected a Facebook page, now we need to select a lead gen form. This is the form which we use to generate our leads, and it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this, and I have named my lead ads form as Facebook lead ads form. And as you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. and it says waiting for webhook response, and there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that we are going to search for Meta for Developers. And after searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. I'm going to click on this, and this is Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. After that, scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads RT Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now to do a test submission, we need to select our page and the form name. Let's click on this. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. But as of now, I do not have any lead, so I'm simply going to click on preview form. And this is the form which I use to generate my leads. To do a test submission, I'm simply going to fill all the dummy details over here. After that, click on next and then submit. And it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received a response. Full name is Smart User, email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. Which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be nocrm.io. Let's click on this. So NoCRM is a lead management tool that helps you to manage sales opportunities. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then the lead should be created into my NoCRM account. Now we need to select our action event. Let's click on this, and here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select create lead as my objective is to create a new lead. After that, click on connect. And here, to connect our nocrm.io account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to click on add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now, to do a connection, we need to enter API key and the account name. And for that, I'm going to take you to my nocrm account, and firstly, I'm going to mention my account name. So as per the instructions given in the Pabbly Connect, mentioned over here is my account name. Let's copy it and then paste it to our Pabbly Connect account. And now to enter the API key, let's go back to our nocrm.io account, and after that let's go to admin panel and then click on integrations and go to API. After that, go to API keys. And these are the API keys which I have already created. Now I'm going to create a new API key. For that, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to enter a name as Karen. And I am going to enter a description as Pabbly Connect and then click on save. And as you can see over here, I have successfully created an API key, and this is the API key mentioned over here. I'm simply going to copy this from here, and after that I'm going to paste it on my Pabbly Connect account. I have entered the API key and the account name. After that, let's click on save. And here we have successfully connected our nocrm.io account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now moving ahead, we need to enter title, and it says enter the leads title here. Usually it corresponds to the company name, for example Pabbly Connect. Now let's click on this, and now to enter the title, I'm going to use method called as mapping. Basically mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps, and as I have received the response from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map it. And after that, we need to enter the leads description, and it says enter the leads description here. Usually it contains the information of the contact in the company. Each item should given in one line, for example like this. So I'm going to enter full name, email and the phone number. After that, I'm going to map all these details from the response I've received through Facebook lead ads. Full name is Smart User, the email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you are going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have mentioned these details manually, so in that case this information would have become static, which means it would not change even if I would have received the new response. So to avoid that problem, we have mapped these details. And now moving ahead with the user ID, so here we need to enter the user's email address to whom you want to assign the leads. And it says enter the user's email address or choose the user to assign the lead to the user here. For example, this. So here I have already mentioned it. After that, we need to enter the tag, and it says choose one of the predefined tags from the list or type the tag by yourself here. If you choose to type the tag, then make sure to enter the tags in double quotes with comma separated values inside the square brackets. For example, this. And I do not want to add any tag over here, so I'm leaving this empty. After that, click on save and send test request. And here we have successfully received the response. Let's go to our nocrm.io account and check whether we have created a new lead or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a new lead. And all the lead details which I have mentioned in the lead description are mentioned over here. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is nocrm.io, and my action event is create lead. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.